Hey everyone, this is Chris with High Seas Cruising, where we talk everything cruise and travel related. Thought I'd try something a little bit different this week, just kind of do a little cruising vlog, just kind of talk about everything that's going on out there in the world today with cruising, travel, and of course with us. And we'll get to that right after this. Welcome to today's show. It is January the 10th, 2021. So I'm sure if you've been following along with any of the cruising news last few months, last few weeks, even the last few days, it's full of cancellations, cruise ships getting scrapped, just pretty much bad news all around. And of course that one question, when is cruising going to start? When is cruising going to resume? Right now I'd be happy if we could just get a date when the first test cruises are going to start. At least give us some kind of idea of what's going to happen. Looks like Carnival at least is canceled just about everything through March. Princess is canceled up to the 14th of May. That personally is the one that concerns me the most. We have a Princess cruise scheduled, let's see, it's the 23rd of May for Alaska. So we're just a week away from the current cancellations. My hopes are not 100% confident that we're going to be able to go on that cruise. I'm honestly expecting that to cancel here in the next few weeks. But fingers are crossed. We're still planning as if we're going to go. We just honestly don't know yet. I know everybody out there is in the same boat. You've either had your cruises canceled, or you're sitting here like us just waiting to see if your next one's even going to cancel or if you're even going to get to go. I tell you this much, doing a cruising show when there's absolutely no cruises going on, it's getting harder to, find stuff to even talk about. So what we've decided to do personally is we're going to kind of take a little bit of a different direction, and we're going to do some more local activities. Just past week, we went down to the coast. We did the Run Disney marathon. We did the 10K down there along the coast. Then we went aboard the USS Lexington, which is an aircraft carrier museum. And I'll have a video here in a couple days on that one. Still kind of getting that one worked out a little bit. Had some interesting camera malfunctions while filming that one, so I got to work around some of that stuff to get that looking a little bit better. And we have booked a trip to Las Vegas. We're going to be leaving for that on the 18th of this month. Go out there, have a little bit of fun, see what's going on, do some filming. We haven't been out there since, I want to say 95, 96 was the last time I was out in Las Vegas. So I'm sure a lot has changed. Some new stuff out there to see, things like that. And of course, we'll share it with everybody here. Also, did read this morning that our favorite Carnival cruise director, Emma, is actually going to be leaving Carnival. We were on her last cruise aboard the Carnival Freedom before she went and took over the Panorama as the first female cruise director from Carnival to ever lead out a new ship. So that was kind of a really big deal for her. She was probably the best one we ever had. Definitely the one we remember the most. And according to her Facebook page, she's going back to teaching. A very unfortunate victim of the cruise shutdown. It's affecting everybody. And we really hate to see her go. She will be missed. We were looking forward to hopefully seeing her again on the Panorama. But it now looks like that won't be happening. With no cruising and very little traveling going on, there's just not a whole lot to talk about. We'll continue to put up videos from our past adventures. And like I said, I'll have some videos coming up here this week from our trip to Corpus. And then, of course, we'll have stuff coming to you from Las Vegas while we're there. And then we'll put a bunch of videos together when we get back. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave a comment below. Has your cruise been canceled with this recent cancellations? Are you like us and just waiting for your next one to get canceled? Since you can't cruise, if you decided to do some other kind of traveling, let's talk about it down below. Leave a comment, And we'll see you guys out on the high seas eventually.